Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this one is under day trading. I haven't done a vlog in probably 2 or 3 months now, because it just day in, day out, and on Fridays other things go on when things really haven't been happening. Just an update, the fact that I have finally, I made my, I'd say a month ago, I finally made my goal of purchasing 100 shares of everything that I was buying, or all the stocks that I decided to purchase. You really want to be at 100. The last video I put out, you really want to push and be at 100 for anything that you buy, if you can afford it. Well, a lot of them I couldn't afford the first time around. Buying 100 at a time. I had to build up as I went. So this has been over a 6-month evolution, finally getting everything that I wanted at 100. Well, to update you, everything goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. And I set everything to a sell price at basically a 50% increase on what I had bought. And then I set that for permanent sell when it reached that level. And you're able to do that. Now I go through Choice Trade. You're able to set it for a buy permanently, and you're able to set it for a sell permanent. Now everything here, I purchased, I think my most expensive one was based on the cost. My cost averages. I've just stepped out and started buying a $13 stock that I originally purchased for 10, and it got to $11.50, and I said, okay, I'll go ahead and sell it. Well, I did, and the darn thing just kept going and going and going, and it topped out at $28 a share. I about died. I waited. It came back down. Down, 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 down. Now, I was looking at it as of August 1st. It has gone from $28 a share down to, it closed at $13.07. And I've been picking it, buying it, picking it, buying it. Now, keep in mind, with Choice Trade, I don't know what it is with the other one, but every time you buy, you got to pay $5. Okay? Same as when you sell it, you're going to be charged $5. So you got to take that into consideration when you buy it and what you're going to get your profit. Okay? Well, there was one share, that I bought, and they kind of frown on it because it was a penny share when I was going for it, and each share was $1, and I bought it. Okay, after that it kind of dropped down to 97 cents a share, and I bought it. I kept buying on it. Well, I got my 100 shares, and yesterday, because I wasn't watching them, I don't watch it constantly, I just set my sell price. I set that for $1.95. and that puppy shot up and sold it. So I did really, really well. That was my first sell. I had to take into consideration that it cost me $30 to get the 100 shares, and it also cost me $5 to sell it. So off the top, I had to deduct the $35 and the rest of its profit. So I will be buying that stock again. And let me check real quick. Last I knew, it dropped 30 cents since I sold it. So let's see. I've got it set again to buy. Now keep in mind, with this company, I didn't know. I thought I could go right back in and purchase the stock again. And you want to, in my in the way I'm going to do it, I'm taking that profit and I'm reinvesting the whole amount back into it. My watch. Go to your Watch Plus, and it's going to give you all your trades. And let's see, where are you? Actually, is sitting at $1.90. She had dropped 30 cents during the day. So a year ago she was at 90. She was 90 cents. And in a year it has gone $1. Actually $1.05. So that was a very nice fall into, I guess you'd say. So I will be after hours. She's sitting at $1.89. So back. So I'm very happy with that buy. It's funny because that peaked, and all my other stocks have tanked. So I'll be sitting on that, waiting for that to come back down, and then I'm going to keep track of how much you made off of that, and just deal with that money with that stock. And as you're putting more money from savings, or whatever money that you're putting in, regularly, go ahead and invest that money in other stock, or just continue to add to the stock that you've already got. I'm constantly keeping my eye open for dollar stock stuff that's 75 cents, moving to 80, and then 90, and then I'm waiting for it to hit $1. And this company frowns on anything that you buy under $1, and it also monitors it. So sometimes if something comes in, you see it, you want to spend money on it, and you click on it, and it's going to say not in our file. So it'll be something that they're not following. You can call them and see if it's something that they're going to add to it. But I'm looking for stuff that hits the dollar mark, and then I know I'm within their policy. It's not considered anything under $1. They consider a penny stock. So that's the way I am doing it currently. And so I am very pleased. These negatives that I see, that's fine, because they're all going to come up. I've got some that are $2.12. I've got one that's $1.90. I've got another one that's 90 cents. Another one that's $4.81 a share. Just an example. One of them, I've got my total cost when I bought it out of the 102 shares. My average cost is $5.01, and now the price of it's actually $4.81. So out of my whole 102 shares, I'm $20 in the hole. my biggest killer right now is I've got 134 shares of something, and my cost on those was $2.30. So, and its price right now is $1.90. So I'm looking at a negative $53.89. And just a week ago, that sucker was 89. 89 to the positive. But it's not where I wanted to sell it at. That one there, I want, right now it's $1.90, and I want, it has jumped to $3.25, and that's what I want to sell it at, is $3.25 a share. So I got one, yeah, that one that went to 28. That's where I've left it. I have no doubt these are going to go back up to where their highs were. So another one, that one is down. Where are you? $3.20 a share. So $3.20 a share. Another one, the one that's sitting at 90 cents right now. I want $1. I want $1.30 on that one. And you mess with them, and I don't even, I'm to a point where I'm not in a hurry to sell. I wind up, even when I buy, I set it for the price I want to sell it for, or buy it. I set it where I want to buy it. Usually I set it 10. Whatever it starts for the day, I usually set it for about 10 cents below what it's sitting at when it when it opens during the day. And I've been decent right now. It's kind of funny that that particular one was in the red quite a bit compared to the other ones. And there was a time when they were all green, that was in the red. And now they're all in the red. I mean, all of them are in the red. And this one it peaked out, and I sold it. So, you know, it's just, that's the way it is. I wish I'd had 1,000 shares, though. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to know what some of these are, I'm definitely not a certified broker or anything like that. This is just what I do. If you're interested in, seeing what stocks I'm dealing with, just leave a comment, and I'll take you there. But I don't give any advice. This is what I do. And if you want to, by following, hey, you'll see what I'm doing. I'll try and now, because this is the 1st of July. This was July, and I decided, and that's when I went ahead and set my goals to go ahead and start selling, was in July. And this is the only one. This was the only share that broke to sell. So there it is. I made 54, 55 bucks for the month by finally selling. So next month we'll see what happens. I'll be going ahead and reinvesting in that particular share when it drops down, and then we'll see if some of the other ones pop up. And then I'm also going to be looking for other dollar shares, and basically I'm looking at dollar starting shares in the marijuana industry. So also, you might want to look into if you've got money to burn, and you do, you need to go on and Watch Plus. I've got a couple seconds here. I'm looking at Johnson & Johnson. You're talking 132. Pepsi Cola, you're talking 115. Procter & Gamble, 91. These are ones I've been looking at. These are big number, big words here. Hostess brand, hey, you know, you're sitting at $14. Let's see what another one. General Electric, 25 a share. Hershey, 105. Walt Disney, 110. Hasbro, 105. Advanced Auto Parts. I'm always down there. I should be investing in it. 114. Let's see, there's another one. Come on. PayPal Holdings, 59. Facebook, $169, and that went. My first time checking that out, it was $140 a share. It's $169 a share. Now these are big ones, and they sit. You know, you get into them, they sit. They don't do too much of a day flux. Facebook went up 61 cents. You know, if you've got the money to start with, there you go. I can't afford that. $1 all I'm going to be able to do. Kraft Heinz, 86. That's down 79 cents. CVS, 79. Tractor Supply, 56. McDonald's, 154. Cracker Barrel, 155. My parents should have invested in that. They're there every day. They live there. They should have invested when that door opened. Oh my word. Google, $946 a share. Sirius XM Radio, $579 a share. That's up from $518 when I looked at it last. That was about a month ago. And that's about it. Those are the ones I've been watching. And eventually, when I can afford to go into those, I may do that. I don't think I pushed Walmart. Did I push Walmart in? No. Mattel. Mattel at $19.72 a share. Mattel got into the spinners. Probably seen some of my videos on spinners. But alright, well, we'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. And definitely subscribe. And you'll catch me again on Day Trading.